welcome to Satsy FDP. For anyone who doesn't know what that means, it means Satsy, fractions, decimals and percentages. It starts off with a great video from Math Snacks, fighting for the rights of numbers, particularly fractions. We've got some great links if you need to learn a little bit more about fractions to other parts of my Wizzy website. Then I try to explain to you the links between fractions, decimals and percentages, and even give you some top tips for solving problems involving these. If we move down to the activities from lots of my favourite websites, you'll find links to fraction lines. I like that. Monster Stroll fractions, that's a good one as well. You'll enjoy that, where you find equivalences to try and escape from the maze. Transom have a great activity called fraction order. That's got lots of levels too. Fraction dissect, that's a good one because you have to split the shapes up into fractions. That's a good one for your visualization skills. Then we can play number line hunt, trying to put fractions accurately onto number lines, a really useful skill. This activity doesn't have any instructions yet, but the instructions are on their website, and it's a bit trickier. You need to use lots of your knowledge of equivalent fractions, and also what fractions total up to 1. It'll make sense when you play it, hopefully. Maybe you just want to blast some aliens, like Space Invaders, but in Crystal Crash, you'll have lots of fun, lots of levels from which to choose. Here we have Math Frame's matching activity. I love matching activities, which will help you really visualize how they're the same, these equivalences. Dissension, that's great. You have to put them in teams, matching up the equivalences of decimals and percentages and fractions. A little bit of bingo, that's always fun. I'm sure you can play that. Oh look, a spider. I'm not scared of spiders. That's a useful skill. And I really like shaded percents from mathsnook.com. My top tip for you would be think of them as equivalent fractions rather than finding the percentage of the shape. That's my top tip for you. Then we've got some more challenges that can be completed, and even a great game where you need to add up fractions once you've boxed them in. I think that's probably enough for fractions, decimals and percentages, so have fun! See you next time on Brie-Anna's Maths with a Mouse! Don't forget to like, subscribe and share! Of course you all will because you like me much more than my big brother. Ha! You stinky potato!